So the next mindset we come to is be honest with yourself. How many are really honest to yourself? Like, it's okay if you're failed, accept, yeah, fine, I failed. It's okay, I made a mistake, I did this. Lying to yourself only makes you a weaker person. आपको वो और भी कमजोर बना देगा. जितना आप खुद से झूठ बोलोगे वो आपको और भी कमजोर बना देगा. एंड आई एम श्योर आपको कमजोर तो होना ही नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर आप कमजोर होगे तो आप आपके गोल्स को नहीं पा सकोगे, आप आगे लाइफ में नहीं बढ़ पाओगे. हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ अंदर एक गिल्ट रहेगा, आपका मन खाएगा कि यार सच तो पता है बट फिर भी खुद से झूठ बोल रहा हूं. सो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बी ऑनेस्ट एंड एक्सेप्ट that you need to change. It's okay. Accept कि मेरे साथ ये हुआ, मैंने ये किया. Be honest and be ready to change yourself. The change is always good. If you want to improve, accept the change. There are so many people. ये देखिए ना, हमने कपड़े चेंज कर दिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पहले धोती कुर्ता ये सब पहनते थे ना. टुडे वी डोंट वेयर ऑल दिस. टुडे वी हैव कम टू शर्ट पैंट, है ना. वो साड़ी से हम लोग ड्रेसेस पे आगे. आई मीन वी एक्सेप्ट चेंजेस, बट ओनली व्हेन इट कम्स टू आवर माइंडसेट. लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स यू डोंट एक्सेप्ट, एंड व्हेन यू डोंट एक्सेप्ट चेंज, वी कैन नॉट बिकम सक्सेसफुल. We cannot become a wealthier person. You need to change and transform for a better future. So very, very important. Never quit. Never quit until it's over. जब तक वो चीज खत्म नहीं हुई है, जब तक वो आपने पाया नहीं है, don't quit. Try till your best. I mean, do your or give your 100% and then surrender. Give your 100% and then surrender, not your 50% and then quit. So there is a difference. Please try to understand there is a difference, because if you are quitting on yourself, you don't have the ability to change also then. यानी आप चेंज को एक्सेप्ट करना नहीं चाहते हो, इसलिए आप क्विट कर रहे हो. एंड द पॉइंट इज यू आर केपेबल ऑफ एनीथिंग. If you set your own mind, you are capable. But the point is, we are not giving our 100%. We are not just keeping on trying. And building wealth is a slow process. Please accept. Building wealth is a slow process. क्या होता है ना? I remember one of my students saying, "Ma'am, I'm making 9 lakhs per month, but हाथ में सिर्फ 3 लाख ही बच रहा है. बाकी सारा 6 लाख है ना, खर्चे में जा रहा है, इसमें जा रहा है, वेस्ट हो रहा है." ऐसे इट्स नॉट वेस्ट. पहले तो आप 50,000 कमा रहे थे, तो आप इन्वेस्ट भी नहीं कर पा रहे थे, खर्चा भी नहीं कर पा रहे थे, अपग्रेड भी नहीं कर पा रहे. आज 50,000 से 3 लाख पे आ गए हो. Why are you looking at that खर्चा? Look at the saving. वो बोल रहे मैम 9 लाख कमाया था बट सारा खर्चे में गया. बट डेफिनेटली वो आपने कमाया तब जाके आपने इन्वेस्ट किया ना. यू केप्ट अ पर्सन टू हैंडल योर सिस्टम, यू केप्ट 2 सेक्रेटरीज, you know paid for the Zoom platform, for the course platform, everything. So ये आपने आपके प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करने के लिए किया ना, एंड ड्यू टू दैट यू स्टार्टेड अर्निंग 9, जिसमें से 3 का सेविंग हुआ. एंड इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल नंबर. इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल नंबर. इट्स लाइक 50,000 ऑल्सो किसी का महीने का इनकम है. 1 लाख इज ऑल्सो किसी के महीने का इनकम है विथ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. So 3 lakh is not a small amount. The point is, be happy with what you have. If you are happy with what you have today, trust me, you will put in more efforts to make it double. You should say, wow, 3 lakhs, that's good. Next time, I'm going to put in more. It will increase. And it is a slow process. ये मत सोचो 3 का 6 हो जाएगा तुरंत next month. 3 का 3.5 होगा, 4 होगा, then 5, 5.5, 6. Yes, this way you will grow. At least you're not stopping yourself. You are growing only, no, in that way. But the point is, you quit before even you try 100 times. Remember, Facebook did not turn Mark Zuckerberg into a millionaire. Listen what I'm saying. Facebook didn't turn Mark Zuckerberg into a millionaire. Mark Zuckerberg created Facebook. Mark created Facebook with his hard work and dedication. And then he received the money from the laborers. He got the benefit of his own labor work. How many of you are understanding that? फेसबुक ने मार्क जकरबर्ग को मिलियनेयर नहीं बनाया, बट जब उन्होंने क्रिएट किया, हार्ड वर्क किया, डेडिकेट किया, वक्त दिया, एनर्जी दिया, 100% दिया, तब जाके उनके ही काम के थ्रू, मेहनत के थ्रू उनको बेनिफिट आने लग गया. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस लॉजिक. नेक्स्ट इज नॉलेज. यू मे एक्नॉलेज दैट यू मे फेल. ये बात को एक्सेप्ट करो कि आप हार सकते हो. द पॉइंट इज, हारने का जो डर होता है ना, वो आपको पहले ही खत्म कर देता है. बट वेन यू नो ना, इट्स ओके, फेलियर्स में कम, दैट्स ओके. हैविंग दैट माइंडसेट that you will only succeed is dangerous. How many of you feel that? हमेशा अगर हमें सक्सेस होना ही होना है, सक्सेस तो मिलना ही है, मतलब you have to have that idea also. It's okay if you fail, but you can still make it. Because only thinking कि हाँ मैं फर्स्ट ही आऊंगा, हमेशा मैं फर्स्ट ही आऊंगा, that is dangerous. I have seen hundreds of my students जो बचपन से लेके आज तक हमेशा फर्स्ट आए हैं या हर काम में फर्स्ट आए हैं, एंड दे वर द पीपल टू सुसाइड, टू गो इन डिप्रेशन, टू बी स्ट्रेस्ड. यू नो व्हाई? आदत ही नहीं है ना फेल होने की, कभी फेलियर को चखा ही नहीं है. एक बार क्या गिर गए, यू गिव अप. मैं कैसे फेल हो सकता हूं? मैं तो बचपन से आज तक जीतते ही आया हूं, कैसे क्या फेल हो गया, खत्म, एंड यू गिव अप. Isn't that dangerous? So even if your children or anyone around you is failing, it's okay. In fact, that is the first stepping stone towards success. Trust me. But each and every time you're becoming successful, you're winning, that is dangerous in practical life. Don't expect to be perfect, my friends. I keep on saying this. The more you run towards perfection, the more you'll come into frustration. It's a trap. It's a big trap. So please don't run behind it. There will be days when you will, like, when you don't practice discipline. There will be time where you will beat yourself up. There will be time you'll have breakups, but it's okay. Take a small break, take rest, relax, and start from fresh again. Start from new again. It's okay. It's okay to take a small break. I took it after this. The year started, and not even one day I was getting rest, and nothing. I was just working, 2 to 3 hours sleep. That's it. Then I decided. The second week of April, I decided I need a spiritual break. Why? To detox and get back again with full energy. For whom? For you and me. Very, very important. And see, even that 4 days spiritual break was, wow, beautiful. So small break is okay. To break that discipline, that routine is okay. That's completely fine. You can do it. There are people saying, मेरे लाइफ में ब्रेक नाम की, हॉलीडेज नाम की चीज ही नहीं है. हाँ, that's your choice. If you want to, you can. That's your choice. You feel आपके बिना तो कोई काम हो ही नहीं सकता. And I believed that even if I am 4 days not there available, but things are still working, you all could manage yourself through the videos and notes and everything. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि मेरे बिना आप कुछ कर ही नहीं पा रहे थे. It was not that. But I was thinking, no, I have to be available. How can they do it? How they, manage themselves? That was my own, thought, which is stopping me. But it was not that. So acknowledge it, please. It's okay. Like, no human ever can become interesting by not failing. Yeah, when you fail, you become an interesting person because you have something to say that I did this, I failed, and now, then I tried this new strategy and I did this. People will find it interesting to hear it. वरना आपके पास स्टोरीज ही क्या है बोलने के लिए? हाँ, मैं फर्स्ट आ गया, नो स्टोरी, खत्म. And you know what happened? I tried this and then I failed. And in that, what happened? This person did this, and then I also did that, and I invested so much. There is a story, there is a learning, there is a process. And it's all good. It's very healthy. The more you fail, recover, improve, the better you are as a person. So fail, recover, improve, and become a better person. That is important. How many of you feel that? After failing, you should recover back. You should start improving again. And only then you become a better experienced person. है ना? अनुभव होता है ना आपके पास. अनुभव होता है. That's an experience. So yes, the next is understand your true purpose. Oh my God, that is something. I have seen a person of 80 years also saying that I don't know what is the purpose of my life. मैंने सिर्फ ऐसी जिंदगी जी, पन्ना पलटते गया. Just turned the page and I just moved. No purpose. Isn't it really weird? You have to understand the purpose, the true purpose of your life. Like, what is important to you? क्या है आपके लिए important है? You have to understand what are your values, what are your beliefs. Mitesh sir keeps on saying this, remember? Tony Robbins keeps on saying this. They keep on saying you need to understand what is important to you, what are your values, what are your beliefs. How do you want your life to impact others? Don't you think just आए हो तो क्या मजा करके जाना है? ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है जिससे दूसरों के ऊपर कुछ अच्छा असर हो? Really? I think then I'm blessed. At a very young age, due to all my beautiful gurus, I understood the purpose of life, and I literally understood what impact I need to make on others in their life so that even they can live a better life. It's not like I'm the best or something like that, but if I'm improving, yeah, if I'm improving, then I know how can I impact others. So very, very important. What would make you feel proud? Front of yourself, front of the universe, front of your parents. If your parents are not proud of you, trust me, you have failed in life. इतना पैसा कमा के, इतना सब करके भी कुछ मतलब नहीं रह गया. If your parents are not proud of you, if your near and dear ones are not proud of you, if you are not proud of you, yourself, very important. But why should you feel proud? ऐसा किया क्या है आपने जिससे आपको गर्व हो खुद के लिए? ये भी तो बहुत important है. Even that is a great learning and understanding. So if you had done anything to improve yourself and the world, I think you know the purpose of your life. What are you contributing? Very important in your life, in your near dear ones, and people around you in the world. The world should get something from you. Have that thing. What and how can I serve this planet? This planet has given you so much, unconditionally. Yes or no? Unconditionally आपको planet ने जगह दिए रहने के लिए, जगह दिए रहने के लिए, हवा दी है, नेचर दी है, खाना दिया है, everything unconditionally. It's not your duty to give it back. It's not your duty to pay respect. You should. Why are you then? Why are you then here? Very important. The answer to these questions, will help you develop a meaningful life. It will help you. Ask your questions. Ask these questions to you. Knowing what's important व्हाट ड्राइव्स यू, है ना? अगर आपको पता चल गया ना क्या आपके लाइफ में इंपॉर्टेंट है, ऐसा क्या चीज है जिसके वजह से आपको एक जोश आ जाए करने के लिए, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द पर्पस फॉर दैट। तब जाके वो जोश आ जाएगा कि यस, हाउ यू वांट टू बी रिमेम्बर्ड एज। मेरे लिए ये सेंटेंस ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। I always I ask this question when I'm in meditation, in a bigger meditation, deep meditation. I ask Pooja, how you want to be remembered as? आप जैसा चाहते हो ना लोग आपको याद करें, आपको वैसा ही एक्शन लेना होगा लाइफ में। You cannot hurt people around and say, how I want the people to remember as like, wow, a sweet person. No, 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 no. They cannot remember you because you hurted, you hurted, you hurted. नाउ यू थिंक आपको कैसे लोग याद करें, उसी तरह से आपको एक्ट करना होगा, उसी तरह से आपके एक्शंस होंगे। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड। आप जैसे आप रिस्पॉन्ड करें ना, उसके पहले 1 मिनट सोचना कि जैसे मैं रिएक्ट कर रहा हूँ, रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा हूँ, क्या इसी तरह से मुझे लोग याद करना चाहिए मेरे जाने के बाद? लोग मुझे ऐसे भी जवाब देते, जाने के बाद कौन सोचता है, कौन क्या सोच रहा है, हाँ हाँ। Still, we remember and give examples of people who are not there on this planet. Abdul Kalam ji. We can never forget his contribution. The way he's done and given and contributed. How can we forget? So, भले ही वो चले गए, but definitely he has improved our life in many ways. So this is a question to you also. Next is your emotions get in the way. Yes. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि आपके इमोशंस है ना आपकी जर्नी के बीच में आ जाते हैं। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन Bruce Lee stated this. Bruce Lee said that emotion can be the enemy if you give into your emotion. You lose yourself. यानी बहुत ज्यादा आप लो फ्रीक्वेंसी वाले इमोशन को अगर आप डिवोट कर दोगे ना, वो आपका दुश्मन बन जाएगा और वो आपको हरा देगा। And you lose everything one day. You need to work on it every day. Every day. The best part is, whenever you're feeling emotionally high, negative, and the negative emotions, if you're feeling very high, I feel, what my mentors have said, and I've practiced that. Start breathing deeply and slowly at that moment. Bad job. Even if you're angry at this moment, you're experiencing this emotion of anger and deep and slow. I know that angry पूरी तरह से खत्म नहीं होगा, but the way you respond will change. The words which you will say will change. Definitely. So breathe in slowly, hold it, leave it. And you can always say a mantra at that moment. I am calm. I am relaxed. I know how to respond. Deep breathe, hold it. Say this to yourself. बोलो अपने आप से, हाँ मैं शांत हूं, मैं रिलैक्स्ड हूं, मुझे पता है किस तरह से रिस्पॉन्ड करना है, रिएक्ट नहीं। रिएक्शन इज अ नेगेटिव वे, रिस्पॉन्डिंग इज अ पॉजिटिव वे। करके तो देखिए, करके तो देखिए, बिकॉज दिस इज हाउ योर इमोशंस विल, negative emotions will not come in the way of your journey. So you need to flip it, make it positive, or at least come into that good control. You should know your own story. The next thing is own the story. Own the story. Own the story means what your, your life is a story. You all should understand that your life is a story. What's done is done. आपकी जिंदगी एक सही में एक किताब है, स्टोरी है, कहानी है। जो हो गया वो हो चुका है, जो था वो हो चुका है। जब होगा वो आप क्रिएट करने वाले हो। कल जो होगा वो आज आप क्रिएट करने वाले हो। Own that story. Where it goes from here is totally up to you. यहां से अब वो कहां तक जाना है स्टोरी को, ये आपके हाथ में है. यस और नो, इट्स इन योर हैंड. कैसे इस रिलेशनशिप को आगे लेके जाना है, कैसे इस करियर को आगे लेके जाना है, कैसे आपके हेल्थ को आगे लेकर जाना है, कैसे आपके पीस, मेंटल पीस को आगे तक लेके जाना है, ये तो आप ही डिसाइड करोगे. आज से, अभी से, यहां से. ओन योर ओन स्टोरी. यस, माई स्टोरी इज, I shall continue with this peace of mind. It's you. Take that responsibility. Own it. Next is bring your best original self to your work and family. Don't say, I don't have time for my family. If you have time for work, you should have time for your family. Very important. What you are doing, it makes a big difference in others' life and in your life. Whatever you're doing, whatever time you're giving, it makes a lot of difference, I'm telling you. Sit with your older parents for 10 minutes in a day. It will make a very big difference. A very big difference. Not in your life, but in their life. And that is your duty, your responsibility. You have to. 10 minutes. I'm not asking for 1 hour also. Yes, you're busy. Great. But you are busy because of them. Whatever you are today is because of their contribution. You need to pay it back. It's very important. Be grounded. Be it your parents, your friends, your family, other members, your siblings, your children, your wife, your husband. They deserve this time. They deserve this love. Do what matters now. Do what matters now. आज उनके लाइफ में आप क्या अच्छा बदलाव ला सकते हो? Do it. Do it. That is going to make you a better person. Trust me. They are going to say no. ये कितना भी मेहनत करे, कितना भी हार्ड वर्क करे, बट ये मुझे 1 मिनट या 5 मिनट या 10 मिनट का समय जरूर देते हैं. They'll feel proud of yourself, proud of you, proud of themselves. That हाँ, हमने जो जिसको जन्म दिया वो सही दिया. There are parents saying, I feel sad कि पता नहीं हमने किसको जन्म दिया है, ऐसे इंसान को. I feel sad when they say this. पता नहीं कितने मन्नत मांगे होंगे, कितने दुआएं, पता नहीं वो माँ कितने प्रॉब्लम्स में से गुजरी होगी. Truly, how can we forget that? How can we just forget that? How can you be so harsh, rude? Where have you learned this from? Where has it come from? Please cut it off. Cut that cord and come on, start being the beautiful you. You are beautiful. Why are you not behaving that way? We are humans. We are not animals. Even animals take care, Why don't we? Do it, please. Be humble, be kind. Share love, share time. That's what they need. They're not asking for more. They're asking what you can give. You are capable of. Only that much they are asking. Are you capable of giving? Yeah? Are you capable of giving? Then what is stopping you? What is stopping you? Ask yourself what is stopping you and why it is stopping you. The next thing is build your own legacy. Wow. Build your own legacy. It's like what you will leave behind for people. Big question. So, what are you? ऐसा क्या है जो आप किसी इंसान को पीछे छोड़कर जा रहे हो, उसके लिए कुछ छोड़ के जा रहे हो? What? What is the story that you will tell to others about your own legacy? After a few years, when you are like, enjoying the olden days, क्या stories बताओगे आप? अपने बच्चों को? क्या थे? फेलियर थे? कुछ नहीं किया, कुछ किया ही नहीं कि ऐसा किया कि स्टोरीज, यू रिमेम्बर सिटिंग विथ योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, पैटर्नल साइड एंड मैटरनल साइड, एंड सिटिंग एंड हियरिंग स्टोरीज अबाउट देम? मेरे दादाजी के दादाजी ना ऐसे थे, मेरे मम्मी के मम्मी देवर लाइक दिस वे, ऐसे करते थे वैसे करते थे. डोंट यू लव टू हियर दो स्टोरीज? डोंट यू लव टू हियर दो स्टोरीज? So what is the legacy you are going to take it forward? What is it that you're going to create? Important? ऐसा कुछ तो करो कि आप खुद की अपने स्टोरीज बता सको, वरना आगे वाले पीढ़ी को, जनरेशन को वक्त भी नहीं होगा आपके बारे में कुछ बोलने के लिए, बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू टेल अबाउट यू. दे डोंट हैव. एंड इज इट लेट? इज इट लेट? इट्स स्टिल नॉट लेट. द टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ, टुडे. I mean, everybody around you are watching you. Remember one thing. You feel so, but everybody is watching what you're doing, what you're giving, the way your actions are, how you're responding. Everything is being watched. And that's the fact. It's very, very important. Very, very important. How many of you have really, sat down for 5 minutes and called a person whom you didn't talk for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and you just gave them a surprise saying, wow, I just remembered you, for this, this, this. You have no clue what you did to them. You just gave them a pure oxygen to live, a beautiful smile to smile for the rest of the day. Don't you feel आपको कोई ऐसा फोन करे और आपको कुछ अच्छी बात बताए आपके ही बारे में, you would feel so happy. सर यार उसने मुझे याद किया और कितनी अच्छी बात कही उसने मेरे बारे में. So what you like, you should give. What you want, you should give. Appreciate. That kind of story or legacy, what you can take forward. I've seen parents saying कि नहीं चाहिए बच्चे, ऐसी लीगेसी चाहिए ही नहीं आगे. आई मीन दे वो खुद के ही परिवार को कोस रहे हैं, तो कितना उन्होंने दर्द के थ्रू गए होंगे कि उनको चाहिए ही नहीं कि उनकी पीढ़ी आगे बढ़े. आई मीन इट्स सैड, इट्स रियली सैड. ऐसे भी आजकल लाइक द जॉइंट फैमिली हैज कम टू अ सिंगल फैमिली, एंड आई ऑलवेज से दैट टुडे parents and kids staying together is joint family. In fact, now I'm saying husband wife staying together is also a joint family. Forget about uncle, aunts, and grandparents. Now we are becoming, we are not growing. We are becoming lesser and lesser and little. We are not growing. Why we have to? What is stopping you? The best question is, what is stopping you? Every time everyone is wrong, every time only you are right, then why are you being so stubborn? What is stopping you? Again, the same question comes here. What is stopping you? Break that barrier, break that chain, move forward. Come on, do it. Become the best version of yourself. And trust me, you will be the most successful, wealthier person, I'm telling you. People will love to look up to you and be like you. People will love to get, around you, be around you. They'll get inspired, they'll get motivated. You have no idea. You don't know them, but still they are getting inspired watching you do something. And they are true blessings, actually. I'll tell you, they are true blessings. If you're changing somebody's life who's unknown to you, है ना? अनजान लोगों की लाइफ अगर आप बदल रहे हो तो उससे बड़ा ब्लेसिंग हो ही क्या सकता है? आपका लाइफ का पर्पस सॉल्व्ड, डन, इट्स डन. भगवान ने ये नहीं बोला है मेरा नाम जपते जाओ. भगवान ने कहा है मेरा नाम जपना है, जपो। बट जिस दुनिया को मैंने क्रिएट किया है उससे भी तो प्यार करो, उसका भी तो ध्यान रखो। आप जब उनका ध्यान रखोगे, उनसे प्यार करोगे, तो मैं खुश हो रहा हूं यार। बट किसी को ये बात ही नहीं समझ में आ रही। मैं सबको दुख पहुंचाऊंगा बट आपका नाम जपूंगा। मैं सबको हर्ट करूंगा, सबके साथ बुरा बर्ताव करूंगा, बट आपका नाम जपूंगा। वॉट डू यू थिंक? वॉट डू यू थिंक योर यूनिवर्स इज बिकमिंग हैप्पियर? आई चैलेंज नो। आप नॉर्मल या नास्तिक इंसान जो है ना, हु डज नॉट बिलीव इन गॉड, वो नाम नहीं जपेगा, बट वो सब अच्छे काम करेगा। एंड ही विल। एंड आप करोड़ों गुना ज्यादा नाम लोगे, नाम जपोगे, मंत्र चांट करोगे, बट स्टिल यू विल लूज बिकॉज ऑफ योर एक्शंस। अलाइनमेंट ही नहीं है कोई चीज का। आई होप यू गेट इट। आई होप इट इज डीप रूटेड इन टू योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड टूडे, वॉट एवर आई सेड, वेरी डीप। और सिर्फ सुनने का काम मत करो, इम्प्लीमेंट करो। मैं वही कह रही हूं, सुनने का काम मत करो। ऐसे मेरे जैसे करोड़ों लोग आएंगे, ज्ञान देकर जाएंगे। सीरियसली, द पॉइंट इज इफ यू इम्प्लीमेंट, तो ही मतलब बनता है सुनने का। अगर आप सही में करने वाले हो, इफ यू आर रियली गोइंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट इन योर लाइफ, then it is of use you investing your time, energy and money, and implement, really. So I hope you do it. All the best for that.